Welcome children in chemistry class. Children, I will explain you chemical equation. A chemical equation is the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction using symbols and formulae of the substances involved in the reaction. Therefore, we can say a chemical equation is a shorthand form for a chemical change. A chemical equation shows the result of chemical change in which the reactants and products are represented by symbols and formula. So in the chemical equation, reactants are taken left hand side, products on the right hand side. So we are taking reactant on the left side. So left side is the reactants and right side we are taking the product. There are some examples of chemical reaction. One reactant, two or three products. In that, we are taking the example lead nitrate. On heating, lead nitrate decompose into lead oxide, oxygen and nitrogen dioxide. So you see their reactant is one, that is lead nitrate. There is one reactant, lead nitrate. It is the reactant. So we are taking it left hand side. And products are lead monoxide, oxygen and carbon dioxide. So these we are taking on the right hand side. Now see another example. In that there are two reactants and one product. So this example of two reactants and one product is ammonia and HCl. These two are reactants. So this we write on the left hand side. Product is ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. So this product we are taking on right hand side. Third example is two reactants and two product. So in the two reactants and two product, their reactants are Zn plus HCl. These two are the reactants. So in equation we write it left hand side. Products are zinc chloride and hydrogen. So this zinc chloride and hydrogen, these two are products that we are taking on right hand side. Fourth equation is in which there are reactants are 2 but products are 3 or more than 3. So their reactants potassium dichromate. In this reactant is potassium K2Cr2O7 and hydrochloric acid. These two are the reactants. And now products are potassium chloride, chromium chloride, water and chlorine. So these are the products. Children, you have to know information of a chemical equation. Chemical equation provide some information. First information which a chemical equation provide about the chemical nature of reactant. What is the chemical nature of reactant and products? Second information that chemical equation provide, direction of reaction. Direction of reaction. Third information, the state of matter in which substance present. Means reactants and products, they are in the solid state, liquid state or gaseous state. Other is limitation of chemical equation. Limitation, chemical equation does not tell about concentration of reactants and product, speed of the reaction, change in color during the chemical reaction, and completion of the reaction. It means reaction has completed or reaction is going on. Chemical equation does not tell anything about this. Children, you have to know the types of chemical equation. There are two types of chemical equation. First is skeleton equation. A chemical equation in which the total number of atoms of each element on the two sides is not equal. It means total number of atoms in the reactant, how many atoms are present in the reactants, and number of atoms in the product, they are not equal. So that is skeleton equation. Balanced chemical equation, a chemical equation in which the total number of atoms of each element in the reactant and products are equal. It means total number of atom of elements in the reactant is equal to total number of elements in the product. So that is called balanced equation. So children, you have to know here in this what is the chemical equation and what information a chemical equation provide to us, and what are the limitation of chemical equation, means what information chemical equation cannot provide to us, and what are the two different types of chemical equation.